Today, we're going to talk about the best Mario gloves for adults available in the market. These are the WEICHUANGXIN LED gloves, perfect for all the Mario fans out there. Let's dive into the features and benefits of these amazing gloves. The WEICHUANGXIN LED gloves are not just ordinary gloves. They come with 3 colors and 6 different modes of flashing LED lights, making them perfect for Christmas, Halloween, parties, and gifts. These gloves are made of a stretchy, breathable cotton polyester blend fabric, ensuring a comfortable fit while you dazzle with bright colors. 6 lighting modes: alternating strobe, alternating flash, permanent on, flash red, flash green, and flash blue. Easy on-off button hidden in the cuff for convenience. Perfect for kids and adults alike, great for winter and nighttime light shows. Ideal for gifts, costume accessories, Halloween, Christmas, and more. In conclusion, the WEICHUANGXIN LED gloves are a fun and unique accessory that will surely make you stand out in any crowd. Whether you're a Mario fan or just looking for a cool gift, these gloves are perfect for all occasions. Don't miss out on the opportunity to add some extra sparkle to your outfit with these amazing LED gloves. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.